This is the video inspection of the 2002 Haas Super Mini Mill. Right now we're just running the spindle here. I'll go ahead and crank it up. Cranked up to about 8,000 RPMs to start. It is a 15,000 RPM spindle. That's at 8,000 RPMs. This is 10,000. This is 12. Let's go ahead and do that just to 12. And right now we'll go ahead and do a tool change. Go the other way. Alright. And right now we'll go over to the handle jog and run it through its paces. I'm just doing a simple handle jog right now. And go ahead with the X. Go the other way. And then we'll go ahead and do the Y again. It's easier to do it with the. And then the Z. Okay. And it's just a quick look at the screen inside of the machine real quick. The table. Go ahead and take a walk around the back and show you the inside of the cabinet. This does have the plastic cover on it. Go ahead and walk through here. Show you the inside here. And the serial number, which is 27513. Manufactured in one of 02. This is a 208 or 230, 3-phase. And take a walk around the other side. This does have the RS-232 port and the Ethernet on it as well, which is kind of nice. And it has the manual, and it has a floppy. And this concludes the video inspection of the 2002 Haas Super Mini Mill.